What's up everybody, Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new video. So guys, in this video we'll discuss one of the most best AI platform for you can generate the best return in 2024. So it's a perfect time to join and jump in. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice, so do it with your own reach, and we will discuss 5 well-established AI projects which can generate best return in end of the 2024. You can get 50x, 100x, even 5. Let's discuss about these 5 AI platform. And before start explaining that, let me clear that it's not a financial advice. I already told you it's your idea which one is the best, but it's not for 24 hours. You have to wait for 1 year or 12 months, or 10 months, and after that, when it hit its target, hit its market price, so you can generate best return. So here are the best 5 platforms from where you can generate best return in future. So in my list, the number 1 is Fetch. At the moment it's 0.5244 and the market cap at $4 to $6 million. And I already introduced this platform in recent videos. So you can transfer your legacy system and AI without charging and exciting APIs. So all the details and information is given, and it's a perfect time to jump in before bull run. You can see here the platform connect multiple ingredients and create a new services. So lots of opportunities are available. Allow your users to use multiple services from the multiple prominent and this. So here's a detail given about the Fetch ecosystem, and you can study that what is Fetch basically is, because I already told you that it's your responsibility to study the platform, and if you think it's perfect for you and you can generate best reward from here, so you can join that. So each and everything is mentioned and about their tools and how you can use the tools, and tools directly interact with the chain. And next you can see the Fetch wallet, and next all information is given. If you calculate the here and buy with $500, so how much you can generate in next 8 to 10 months. The second is Ocean at 0.4473, market cap at $245 million, and that is the new asset class. And you can see all the details is here, how you can build, how you can earn, and how you can get reward if you hold this coin. I already told you that it's not the game of 20 to 24 hours, because you have to wait until it hit the market, and it can generate best return, and you can easily sell out. So dive into the Ocean stocks. Here you can see token distribution, all the details, new products and events. So each and everything is mentioned. You can see the DF60 complete and the DF64 launches. So how much you can generate if you buy $500 with Fetch, so you can generate minute. Here is the Singularity in my list. You can see here the market cap at $378 million, and at the moment its current price, you can see here the foundations. Welcome to the next generation decentralized AI, and you can see their vision and decentralized all through emerging with blockchain technology. And yet you can see the beneficial AI network. It's very beneficial for you, AGI development. Next you can see all the details is given. So this platform is on my third list, in my third place. So next you can see the technology, artificial intelligence and marketplace and publisher, and next you can see the domains and specific languages. So each and everything is given under a single platform, and I'm sure when you visit that you'll be surprised to see the potential inside and how much you can generate from here. So it's a perfect idea to jump in and invest in one of the most best 5 AI cryptocurrency. So here you can see the Cardano AI collaborations also, and you can get more information. So advantages, how much you can get if you invest in $500 in 8 to 10 months, how much you can generate if you hit its target. Next, Althea. in my number 4 list, and you can see here Althea GPT-2 at the moment is $67133 million dollars. You can see here 0.0187 at the time, the price. So with the low market cap, you can jump in, you can buy, because they have a very strong partners community and best exchanges also. You can see here the down of the generative age. Next you can see the characters GPT-2 we makes text to character and reality. So I briefly visited that, and I'm sure it's the best opportunity and the best option for my community. So character GPT, you can be used the create our AI character for the wide and variety of use case. And next you can see the digital twins and digital guides and digital competitions and the digital animation. So all the information is given. Try to character GPT to add my character AI. And next you can see Althea AI and the protocol. So these details are given in front of you. You can see AI protocol, AI system, and add apps, and it at the time $3.400. And if you can buy that, it's a perfect opportunity to jump in and buy this. And if you hold it and stay calm, and after some time you can generate best return. Please like and subscribe my channel to finding out best AI platform, and I'm sure you will like and subscribe. So let's see the metrics at number 5 on my list. You can see the market cap and current price. You can see this is the metaverse, and metaverse 3.0 is coming and transforming brains waves and code with AI. And you can see here the distribution of natural data and Matrix blockchain, and Matrix 3.0 built a general purpose platform around the intelligence. And next you can see the complete of control and digital avatar. So plenty of benefits here. Next you can see the Matrix 3.0 features. So plenty of features are available here. You can see the receiving parts and each and everything is mentioned. The 4 phase of the Matrix 3.0, you can see here all the detail. It's the genesis and project updates are given. So guys, I provide you all the detail regarding these 5 AI platforms, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this. You can see the Matrix AI network makes artificial intelligence as possible to the everything, and you can see the sustainability, AI powered and fast, secure. So each and everything is okay guys, I provide you all the detail regarding these 5 AI coins, and I'm sure you will study that, and it's your responsibility to verify each and everything. And after that, if you think it's perfect for you, so you can jump in and you can buy that, and you can hold, and at the time will come, it hits the market, and you can sell them also with a massive return. So once again, it's my request, please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos also. So we will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.